What's up, everybody? Brian, BH35 Sports Cards. We're doing 2014 Topps Strata Football. This is a half case break. Show you your squads real quick. This was a pick your team break, so you got to pick what team you wanted. And these are the teams that you picked. So there you go. That's everybody's squad. Jimmy Mahan, what's up, my man? Okay, there you go. Here's our case. Gonna rip this guy open, and then we need to find 6 boxes. So we're gonna roll the die and figure out what we're getting into. Here you go. Alright, so they're in thirds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll go like this. Take these two, put them over here. Take these two, put them up here. We'll go 1, 2, 3 will be this side. 4, 5, 6 will be this side. It's a two-sided die. Here you go. It's a 6. I'm stuck. There you go. 6. It's 4, 5, 6. This side, these 3 and these 3 will be for the Bowman Chrome Strata mixer. It's only 19 bucks. So good luck, everybody. I hope you kill it. Every time. Let's take it one box at a time here. See what we got. Manziel action. Browns don't want him anymore. Oh my gosh, that game was ridiculous, Jimmy. I don't know that I've ever seen better defense played ever in the history of everness. All right, let's see what we got here. Man, all out of whack. There we go. All right, that's what your base card looks like. So here we go. Yep, there you go. There's a rookie. Rookies look the same as the vets. What's that? Yellow background. This is definitely the nicest the cards have been so far. Jordan Matthews. First hit going to the Bucks. 19 out of 50. 3-color patch. Charles Sims. Charles Sims for the Bucks. Second hit going to the Redskins. Lake Seastruck. 12 out of 25. Nice hit. Nice. Bob, 613. Nobody wanted him. Bob took him. Nice hit, Bob. Deion Buchanan. Oh, look at that. Die cuts are cool looking. Not numbered. There's another die cut. That one's different. Both 49ers. Connor Shaw starting. I didn't catch that. Did you do all right? John Brown. Like orange background. Some sort of parallel. Blake Bortles die cut. Carlos Hyde. Storm. Taylor Lewin. Johnny Manziel. Timmy Jernigan. Percy Harvin die cut. Going to the Seahawks. Josh Huff. Marquise Lee. Trey Mason. Donkey Kong Sue. I wonder if those are... Oh, there you go. Little clear cut Tom Savage. I think that's what those are. Clear cuts. Tom Savage. Houston. CBP. Not numbered. Odell Beckham Jr. Not bad. Not bad first box. Lots of base cards. Beckham is a beast. What's up, David? How's it going, buddy? No Eagles hits yet. No Eagles hits. We're only into box number 1, though. right, here we go. Man, what is with that thing? Matt Ryan die cut, Falcons. Storm Johnson, Kevin Norwood. Redemption, Strata signature autograph for the Giants. That's Brewer Fever, Andre Williams, Johnny Manziel, Jimmy Jernigan, Carlos Hyde, Andre Williams, Marquise Lee, Derek Carr, uh, 19 out of 50. James White, white patch. James White, Patriots. That is J. Rich. Gotta beat him to the punch. Gotta beat him to the punch. AJ McCarron die cut. Bengals. Pierre Desser, Browns. Teddy B. Khalil Mack. Big day tomorrow. NT Baseball Day. You guys excited? Terrence West for the Browns. Our chef said yes. Court Kings too. Court Kings basketball. I'll have absolute football also tomorrow. Tony Romo. These die cuts are cool. It's another one. Hot dog. Basketball. Yes, basketball. Jimmy, you asked me for some 2012, 2013 basketball a while back. Would you be interested in preferred and or clear retro? Oh, they're not in clear retro. Okay, so any other Kentucky boys on that checklist? What's up, JRT50? How's it going, buddy? The Monster Mash. Nice. What's up, D-Racer? That's DeAnthony Thomas for the Chiefs. DeAnthony Thomas. Medium-sized card. First medium-sized. Other ones have been super thick. Geno die cut. CJ Faderwicks. Mettenberger. Gronk. Clowney. Trey Millard. Lake Seastruck. Scott Crichton. CJ Mosley. There he is. Aaron Murray, question mark. Leghorn, 56, got the Chiefs. Should have 2 hits from this stack. Aaron Rodgers. Kyle Van Noy, not Donkey Kong Sue. Troy Nicholas, Cardinals, Arizona. Always good for one. Florida fan. Not numbered. Louis Nix. Above the mash. Halfway home. Halfway home. There's a very cheap $19 football mixer. 3 boxes of Strata, 3 boxes of Bowman Chrome football in the store. It's a random. Anybody wants a box of Bowman Draft Jumbo for a PC rip? Have 3 loose boxes. Aaron Murray die cut. Clowney, Moncrief, Allen Robinson. Andrew Luck die cut. Nice. Nice looking card. Louis Nix, Cody Hoffman, Connie Ely, Eric Ebron, Zach Martin. Cody Latimer, clear cut auto rookie relic for the Broncos. J. Rich. Jarvis Landry to 150 for the Dolphins. Jersey relic. Bob 613. Ryan Shazier to 150. Sick. 78 out of 150. Steelers is K. Jones. Nice one. It's a bad man. There's another Shazier. Jadeveon Clowney. Die cut. Mittenberger. Two left. The numbers on the cards, the numbering, like in the corner, down here. Topps usually doesn't have very standoutish stamped numbers, you know what I mean? What's up, Randy14? How are you? Good evening. Do you want the paper? Have to do the math. $120, everything ships. If you literally just want the hits, you can do 115. Somebody's gonna be happy. Hegman, Coleman, Carey, Jeff Matthews, Garrett Gilbert, Calvin Pryor, Bruce Ellington, Andy Dalton, die cut, Logan Thomas, Aaron Murray, Jadeveon Clowney, Stephen Morris, Zach Mettenberger, Teddy Bridgewater, 19 out of 25 for J. Rich. No. Andre Williams, Clinton Dix, Xavier Grimble, David Falls for the Bears. Bears. Da Bears, but da Bears. Michael Clark. Nice. Eric Ebron for the Lions. Not numbered. Jake Locker, die cut, Titans. Darquez Denard, Connie Ely, Dante Moncrief, Nick Foles, Ryan Grant. One left. What's up, Jay Rich? You have a nice break here. I can do a quick little J. Rich cap for you. Let's see, who do you have? You have the Broncos, right? Don't think you got any Broncos. That's not you, that's not you, that's not you. That's you, 19 out of 25, Teddy B. Lions, no, that's Steve Poulos. Dolphins, no. Chiefs, no. Chiefs is Leghorn. Cleveland Browns, that's Jay Rich. Little Terrence West. New England Patriots, yep, that's you too. That's out of 50. Houston, CBP and Bucks. Jay Rich. Dominating the hits. And I will do the thing that you're going to ask me to, so you don't have to ask me. Well, Calvin Benjamin. Let's see what we got. Oh, there was a couple of redemptions too. Cody Latimer and Andre Williams. If you had either of those teams. Giants, no. Broncos, yes. Jason Verrett. Odell Beckham, Paul Richardson, Jerick McKinnon, Cody Latimer, die cut of Tom Savage, Teddy B to 150, Jalen Saunders, Martavius Bryant, Jeremy Hill, 25 out of 25. Look at that. Jeremy Hill. Nice. For Wooly 1 on a heater. 25 out of 25. Nice one. Kid's pretty darn good. Kelvin Benjamin. Is that your team, Scott? Or are you just hoping for him? Calvin Johnson. Phillip Rivers. Yeah, Phillip Rivers die cut. How about that? Allen Robinson, Jaguars. Jersey relic. Jay Rich. Wow. It's a 99. 50 out of 99. That's sick. Aaron Murray. 3-color patch. Very nice. It's a good way to end it. And Jeremy Hill. We pretend we ended it on that. So that's it for this one. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Leave comments down below. Subscribe. Helps out. Thanks.